Your fight is not over. Being denied VA disability benefits can be incredibly discouraging. You served your country, and you deserve support for your service-connected conditions. Don't lose hope. Many veterans win their appeals. This guide will give you the tools and knowledge to fight for your benefits. We'll walk you through the process step by step. Remember, you're not alone in this journey. There are resources available to help you. Veteran service organizations, accredited agents, and attorneys are available. They can provide free assistance and guidance. It's important to understand that the VA claims process can be complex. Don't be afraid to ask questions and seek clarification. This is about your health and well-being. You deserve to receive the benefits you've earned. Many VA disability claims are denied initially, but don't worry, this is not the end of the road. Understanding the reasons behind these denials is the first step toward a successful appeal. One common reason for denial is a lack of sufficient medical evidence. The VA needs to see a clear link between your current disability and your time in service. Make sure your medical records clearly document your condition and its connection to your service. Another common reason is insufficient service connection. The VA needs to see that your disability is directly related to an event or incident that occurred during your service. Provide detailed documentation of your in-service incident, including dates, locations, and witnesses if possible. Sometimes claims are denied due to errors in filing or missing information. It's crucial to carefully review all forms before submitting them. Make sure all sections are filled out completely and accurately. If you need assistance, reach out to a veteran service officer or an accredited representative for help. Finally, your claim might be denied if the VA determines your condition isn't severe enough to warrant disability compensation. In these cases, it's essential to gather strong medical evidence. This evidence should demonstrate how your condition impacts your daily life and ability to work. When appealing a denied VA disability claim, you have three primary options: higher-level review, supplemental claim, and board appeal. Each option has its own set of rules and timelines. Choosing the best option for your situation is crucial. A higher-level review involves a senior VA claims adjudicator reviewing your existing claim. This option is ideal if you believe the initial decision was based on a misunderstanding or oversight. A supplemental claim is appropriate when you have new and relevant evidence to support your claim. This could include new medical records, buddy statements, or other supporting documents. A board appeal is a more formal process where your case is reviewed by the Board of Veterans' Appeals. This option is typically pursued when other appeal options have been exhausted. It's best to consider this option with the guidance of an accredited representative or attorney. Carefully consider your specific situation and the reasons for your denial to determine which appeal option is the most appropriate for you. Section 4. Building a rock-solid appeal. Gathering and submitting strong evidence. Gathering and presenting strong evidence is crucial for a successful VA disability appeal. The evidence you provide should clearly and convincingly demonstrate the following: your current disability, its connection to your military service, and the severity of its impact on your life. Medical evidence is the cornerstone of your appeal. Obtain detailed medical records from all healthcare providers treating your condition. These records should include diagnoses, treatment plans, and any statements connecting your disability to your service. In addition to medical evidence, lay statements can provide valuable support. Lay statements are written testimonies from people familiar with your condition. This could include family members, friends, co-workers, or fellow veterans. These statements should describe how your disability affects your daily life. If your disability makes it difficult to maintain employment, provide documentation of your work history and any limitations you experience. This could include letters from employers, performance reviews, or records of missed workdays. Remember, the burden of proof lies with you to demonstrate the legitimacy of your claim. Gathering and submitting comprehensive and persuasive evidence significantly increases your chances of a successful appeal. Section 5. Navigating the appeal process. Filing your appeal and preparing for your C&P exam. Once you have gathered strong evidence, it's time to navigate the appeal process itself. The first step is to file your Notice of Disagreement, or NOD, within 1 year of receiving your denial letter. You can file your NOD online through va.gov, by mail, or in person at a VA regional office. After filing your NOD, you'll likely be scheduled for a compensation and pension exam, often referred to as a C&P exam. This exam is an important opportunity to provide further evidence of your disability. During the exam, be prepared to discuss your medical history, service history, and the current impact of your condition on your daily life. To prepare for your C&P exam, review your medical records thoroughly and make a list of any specific incidents or events during your service that may have contributed to your condition. It's also helpful to practice describing your symptoms and limitations clearly and concisely. Remember, the VA claims process can be lengthy and complex. Be patient, persistent, and don't hesitate to seek assistance from veteran service organizations, accredited agents, or attorneys along the way. With the right knowledge, resources, and support, you can increase your chances of a successful appeal and receive the benefits you deserve.